Hi, this is Brett Taylor with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. You're looking at our 2008 Toyota Tundra that we just took on trade. It's got a nice set of custom blacked out wheels, on off-road aggressive tread tires, 4.7 liter V8 engine. This truck is two-wheel drive. See the interior conditions in nice shape. It's not ripped or tore up. This is a pretty low mile truck for the model year. Power windows and locks. Looking into the second row seating area, this is the double cab with the standard box length. Nice all-weather floor mats. Vehicle's got a drop-in bed liner on it. There's no big dents, dings, scratches. The rig's really in pretty darn nice shape. Looking at the rear profile of the vehicle. Coming along the passenger side. There really is no signs of excessive wear on the interior. 6-passenger bench seating. You can view this Toyota and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for the sales department. Thanks for looking.